Hello my lovely viewers, this one wey I carry come in fact na crucial matter to me. I hear say the people of Lagos don begin complain about the third mainland bridge wey dey for there. Claiming say this bridge don dey shake and sooner or later this bridge fit just collapse or open all of a sudden. And as people dey complain this one, I dey hear say our federal government dey act like say dem no dey see wetin dey happen. But make e no be like say we dey drag about this bridge. For those of you who no know wetin I dey talk about, make una join me watch.
This is a portion of the third mainland bridge, and this particular expansion joint has already begun to sever, so it's causing a lot of shaking and vibration on this part of the bridge. We do understand the Federal Ministry of Works has said that there's no cause for alarm. Perhaps there is need for an urgent attention on this part of the bridge.
Hope say una sef see that road. Abeg, this road look good to una. Because e be like say as people dey complain, federal government wan carry am for head saying youth just wan accuse dem say dem no dey work. Na there I hear say Mr. Bode Akinola, wey dey represent federal government, claim say him don check the road, nothing do the road. Why something no go do the road? Him wish una no go there with una koro eyes to come even worsen the whole thing again. I hear say the Minister of Works, Popola, himself dey claim say him drive on top of the bridge, say him no see where don open. I no want to say na thunder go strike on because I know say una dey see this thing. Una no just wan bring out money to fix this kind of thing. Because why? Una no care about una citizens. People dey come outside dey complain say this road no good. People wey dey pass am on a daily basis, they dey see and say this thing sooner or later e go open. They complain to una instead of go be say una go find people now to go investigate this thing. Go look am now. Fix am before Christmas go reach up say people go dey pass am. Una no think of that one. Una don go check am make people debunk the news. Say na rumor. How rumor go get video? If say na lie, people no go carry video dey record and say okay, na like this thing be. And no be today people don dey complain about this terminal. In fact, for so many years, more than 2 years now, they don dey complain about this bridge. And it be like say una no just wan do anything about am. If na food budget now, una go stand kampe, right, and say una wan collect 50 million for budget of food. Anyways, this one me I just dey talk am. So that it go be like, oh, make na just look am well. Make na find na time. Go check that thing before the thing go come cause damages. Make it no be like say now we no talk am, una talk say na rumor. Make na first go check that rumor before na come outside come dey talk another thing. Anyways, my people, now here I go end am on this matter. Make na stay tuned for our next story. I hear say inside Ghana, some of our Nigerian brothers don't come outside, they cry. They lament say the Ghana police don't begin to harass them for there. See as it be like this, officers will just fly enter their compound. Come they ask them questions without any warrant. And see as it be, 13 of our Nigerian brothers don't dey inside their custody. My people never see this one, Make now join me watch.
Oga, see, wallahi. They come here. See, hey, Mate, carry for call that journalist. Yes. Carry for call that journalist.
Now, wow, I dey very certain say Ghana police don't dey learn bad things from Nigeria. I sure say now because of all the old videos and things where they see, now why themselves can't decide now say they want to behave like this. Because how police, in fact, as I even watch this video, now only one person wear uniform. How we take this certain say these people now police say they don't be kidnappers. But first, make a confess our Nigerian brothers. I beg, what you do for this place? Because me, I dey very certain say police no go just come harass on. If they never get information, say on a day they do something. And I dey certain say e no go pass yahoo. Now work when I normally do be that. I sure say now why these people don't put eye on top of now. And now they complain say the people wey dey inside their custody now within the age range of 15 to 16. I beg, waiting a 15 to 16 years boy they do inside Ghana, they with his parents. They go school, they learn work. So what at all they do for this kind of house? And they still say sometimes now on a fishy lifestyle, and they draw all this kind of police to honor. Because I trust say ona no go dey there, they live jeje. Ona go dey there, go they do over sabi, they form things anyhow. And you bringing out cutlass, the person will come as I carry cutlass, say won't come fight, but in fact, ona just incriminating herself. Because what you carry and the person come, I trust say they knock on her door, ona don't lock gate. Una no wan make dem enter, na why they jump fence. Instead of una to attend to them jejely, una come go carry cutlass and wan come fight. Sometimes like this our lifestyle, we suppose dey change am. If you carry your wedding, drop her for Nigeria. Look one they carry am, they enter another person country. So you won't go, they misbehave. For ina information, if you no know, Ghana, they don't get new IGP. And right now, the man know they mess up. Behind na even send people say now any boys will be say that they around they misbehave. May they call them out. Behind na send na come carry na self now they complain. They complain say they harass. If na don't tire, come back to Nigeria. Police brutality there everywhere. If you know so you no go fit cope with the one wey dey happen for Ghana, come back to your country. Nobody dey pursue you. Because inside Nigeria, na the same thing. So maybe if you come Nigeria, come compare, you go know say you even staying there, you get lucky. But anyways, people wey dey there, make na dey careful because now wey be say they harass people anyhow. I don't know wetin be their mission. Christmas don reach, everybody dey find money. So make na dey very careful and watchful. My people, now here I go end am on this matter. Make na stay tuned for our next story. Now, wow. I hear say about 8 people don't die for the Travis Scott Illuminati concert where this guy hold inside hosting. And based on what I hear say the crowd, the time where this guy they singing music, now so crowd just become uncontrollable. Now so different people they begin match people say they won't go see this guy. So watching the whole thing, I hear say when Drake go even climb stage, now their commotion can even start. And because of this one, I don't know better the matching and be some people go there with sickness, and there we hear say so many people don't die from this concert. Now what it can make me the reason on I sure say this guy because I'm not saying an Illuminati person. On I sure say never go sign up these people because 8 people at once. 8 na special number. Talk less of say 8 people can't die at the same time. We supposed to investigate this guy well. But among people who be say they end up being injured, they don't come outside now. They throw lawsuits to this guy and Drake. Say they won't sue them for damages and death. But me, this whole damages and this one and they sue them, I don't really see the need because make we look this whole thing. Nobody force on us to make na come concert. Now na come there say na wan come enjoy music, na wan come enjoy na life. So going there now be say crowd complex. In fact, sometimes promoters on ourselves get issues. From the beginning, when I say people don't dey too much, crowd don't dey too much. Now idea na suppose don't reason am. So okay, we'll make we stop the sales of this whole thing. But them say because of money, they decide to sell so almost 50,000 people come cover everywhere. Forgetting say COVID-19 day, none of them even wear nose masks. Nobody even do social distance in practice. Everybody just did they chillax. Now for that one, me I feel assume say fine and good, make they sue for that one. Because you don't even follow the protocols at all. But say because say you go there, person come go there. I hear some people they shout saying they shout for help, they no help them. You know go expect say person there for state, go they hear you where they shout for help. Now people where they surrounded by you, I go feel help you. And since themselves don't they lost in the concert where they happen. Now why everything can't be like this? But anyway, I trust when people they will still carry this matter put on for hand. But this Travis they talk saying for people where die in go pay for the funeral. Now what it can make me they with it? Oga, you sure say no be you even plan this whole thing. Because how person go just that you don't already they plan say you won't pay. Anyway that they accuse you, never talk of say okay, oh fine and good, oh me I get handle, you no talk of that one. Now how you go tell such people out to sell out people be say they don't die, now the reason. Anyway, I trust the people last they go do their investigation. If not selling go him and Drake, we go hear about them. Anyways, my viewers, now here I go drop on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story.